course, when operating aircraft in an intensely environment when ground fire might be a risk. Another example of what's not just air-show fire, tactics demonstrated this incident, technically the aircraft and ground fire.
This aircraft first flew for tail end of 2009, and of which a current 178 examples have so far been ordered. Germany is the largest customer with 3 of them. So we've got the uncarried extended now. 14 wheel tyres, optimised to allow the aircraft to operate unprepared strips at high weight.
However, carrying significantly heavy payloads,
Transall C-160 by the end of 2021, and then they were linked in service by C-130 Hercules on manufacturing in France, which we've got here the first time in the Static Park. Now accelerating in from the visual capacity drop zone in speed up to 90 miles. Luftwaffe first used its A400M in combat theatre in July 2018 when they carried out a troop lift from the 8th base for the entire fleet from Rostov to Mobile Sherry in Afghanistan. And also, Germany was the first user of this type to declare its operation in the air cooling role because the A400M can also act as a tanker. Now, having been going to see the aircraft establish itself in a typical airdrop configuration on the next pass with the rear cargo ramp open and the door, slowing the aircraft to around 115 knots.
Well, the aircraft are partly cleaned up with the ramp door closed. This is a demonstration of impressive pressure lines and landing. They are the same options to the basket. The only downside is take the fuselage to the top end speed briefing and the seabed to the bottom end speed briefing. Now how about this for landing approach?
Setting the aircraft up in a steep descent, and we'll see a full-stop landing, aided by a powerful automatic brake.
You don't know. You don't know.
What's that?
They jump up the boat. That was.